Hello my gorgeous from good morning, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chichi. I'm a mom YouTuber based in Germany, and in this platform I do skincare product review. I talk about beauty, lifestyle and lots more. So guys, you can see I'm just breathing. I just came back. I went to pick up something from the doctor's place, so I just decided to rush this review. Not a review but unboxing. I want to show you guys what I got recently from the Fair and White company. That's the skincare product I'm using presently. So I ran out of some of the product and I went to pick up 3 to 4 skincare products from the Fair and White, and I decided to unbox with you guys today. So if you want to see this, sit back and enjoy this video. So my lovely, yesterday the package came in like I said, and I want to show you guys what I got from their website. So I already opened this package yesterday because I was curious. Whenever you know that mood when you get your package and you want to see if everything is complete inside. So yesterday evening I opened it, and today I decided to share with you guys what I have inside. The package normally come this way, like I will tell you, show you always. So this is how it's always well packaged. Like Fair and White product is well packaged, and you get this inside, like to seal it up. And looking at inside, this is what inside is gonna look like. This is what inside looks like, guys. Let's get some thumbnails. So guys, this is what inside looks like. And yeah guys, and I have this lotion. This is the So White Skin Perfector Hydrant. There's a moisturizing body milk. I love this because it's a body milk. It's so moisturizing on the skin. That is what I'm using presently, and I still have like half of it in the other one. And here you can see made in Paris. So this is the product. I think I've showed you guys before, so I'm not going to be talking much about, like I'm reviewing just the package, opening my package. And inside I got this serum. This time I got the pink serum. This is called the Skin Perfector Serum, and it's called the Radiance Serum. The Radiance Serum. So I got this serum this time to peel this up or to use on my face. You can see my face, I have no makeup on, just my lipstick because I was running out, and my microblading, of course, you can see is properly heated. So it is healed and it's looking beautiful, even more beautiful, like it has faded a lot. So guys, I got these 2 gel. These are the Skin Perfector gel. It's called Dark Spot Corrector Gel, and I got these 2 maybe to mix my lotion sometimes, or to apply if I get any breakouts and I have leftover spot. I can just apply it. I read on the website that it's very good. This is the first time I'm getting the gel. I think I got the cream last time. So this is the gel. Maybe I'll be adding some to my lotion to like boost it more. If you want more white, maybe during the, I don't know, summer season, if I would do that, I don't know. This is the serum I got, the free gift sample I always get from the Fair and White. Whenever you order, you get something. There's a place you click for you to get a free sample. Okay, so this is it. So this is the Messi card for the next purchase. I'll be getting another 10% off. By the way, I got 10% off of this product. This whole product here costs about 48 euro plus with posting. It costs 48 euros plus because I got a discount. And what prompted me to ordering this product was the face cream, guys. For a long time, I've not been using I've been using Nivea face cream, by the way. Vitamin C, Nivea face cream, and lots of, those serums I use on my face. And I decided to go back to their Fair and White face cream. And I saw that I've changed the packaging of this face cream. The go-to, Fair and White go-to, brightening, the go-to ultimate face cream. This is it. And I checked the website and I saw that, wow, these people have changed the packaging. And like the packaging used to be so big on a plastic big container. This time it's a bottle, like it's a bottle, and it's so nice. I love it. It's so beautiful. And this time I got it because I saw it that it has a niacinamide. They just made a new one, like they updated it, upgraded. I would say upgrade, because the former one was not having anything like niacinamide, any cremate. But this time I saw it and I said, let me give it a try. This is the premium brightness cream for face. It contains with niacinamide, argan, and shea butter. So I think this is gonna be nice. I've not used it, and this is it. And when I opened it, voila, I got this beautiful packaging. I love Fair and White products because their packaging looks luxurious. It's always beautiful. Like, I love it. And this is what the cream looks inside. Is white, and it has perfume. That's the downside. I don't like it, but I'll be making a review. Let me use first. After using this product, I will come back and tell you guys how it's work on the skin. Like, this is the face cream. I love to use face cream. I don't use this body cream on my face. I've never ever used it on my face. When I try using it on my face, I got rashes, so I don't use my body cream on my face. I always get the face cream, and for the longest time I've been using my Nivea face cream, guys, with my vitamin C and those serums I use on my face. So guys, if you enjoy watching this video, this is just an unboxing video to show you guys what I got recently to top up my skincare product. And this is the empty carton. So if you like this video and if you want to see more unboxing of skincare products, guys, join this amazing family and tell me what you think about the Fair and White brown, and tell me what you think about my skin, guys. This is my skin without no makeup. So this is me. The makeup I have here is of course my microblading and my lipstick. It's like a lip gloss, and but it has this pigment. So this is all I have, and this is my skin presently. This time, this is my skin. So this is what I've been using. Do you want me to continue using this Fair and White, or should I go back to should I change the skincare? So this is what I've been using, and I love to update you guys time to time to let you know what I am using. So if you want to get this product, I'll be dropping the link in the description box. I sent the link recently on one of the videos I made. Somebody requested for the link if you live in Europe, so you can place your order directly from their website to make sure you are getting the original. These things are sold in the Africa shop, but I love getting it particularly from I love getting it from their website, because I will be so rest assured that I'm getting original, nothing but the original. I don't want to get any skin problem. And people complain of having patches, or I don't know, when they use Fair and White. Just check out, maybe there are things in it that are reacting to your skin. So guys, I'll end this video here. This unboxing video is not a review. I'll be making a review telling you guys about this face cream. I'll use it and tell you guys about it. Trust me, it's gonna come. And I have lots of video I'll be making for you guys. I have lots of skincare product, like babies, kids skincare products, what I use for my kids presently, but I've been so busy, guys. So I'll be dropping that video soon, and I'll be making another video for you guys about glycerin, the nice glycerin, even the Fair and White glycerin I got last time. I'll be making the review of that glycerin for you guys, and I'll be comparing the glycerin, like making with other glycerins, to tell you guys the one I love most. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you watch up to this time and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Join this glowing team, join this beautiful family, join the Chi Beauty Club, guys, so that you can glow like me and my friends. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Stay blessed and stay beautiful. If you have any video requests, drop in the comment section and give this video a huge thumbs up. Share with your friends and family. See you guys in my next one. Bye. Ciao, ciao.